will show you the Parshva Dhanurasana for flexing the hip region, thigh muscles, back muscles, shoulders. You are on the side, body is on the side, your legs and head in the same line. Take your lower hand across 90 degrees. Take your lower leg to the palm. Your hand is not going to the leg, but your leg is going to the palm. Your hand is across. Take the upper hand, go up, look at the ceiling, and when you are done, you can come up into Ardha Dhanurasana. You have come up in Ardha Dhanurasana and you are going back into Parshva Dhanurasana. And thank you.